Hello and welcome to vlog number 119. This week I'm going to talk about the GDNF trial that was the subject of a two-part documentary recently screened in the UK by the BBC. The media, and social media in particular, have been filled with commentary about this documentary, in which 42 participants were subjected to experimental brain surgery to implant an experimental drug delivery device and then received monthly infusions of an experimental drug. I already knew that this drug trial had failed to meet its objectives, and vlog number 76 discusses this, but it is quite a different matter when you are watching the documentary. I found myself doubting the research that I'd done for that vlog, because seeing the improvements in the participants, it didn't seem possible that this trial had failed. As a person with Parkinson's, I found it very hard but compulsive viewing. One moment filled with hope, the next battling tears. And if I found it to be an emotional roller coaster, then I can only imagine how the participants themselves felt. One of my neighbours watched both parts of the documentary back to back a couple of evenings ago, and he called on me to tell me how angry he felt about it. He was angry that it built up hope for people with Parkinson's in the first part, only to dash them in part 2, shown a week later. In his view, it should never have been shown in 2 parts, but he was angry that it was shown at all, given that it appeared to destroy the hopes of all people with Parkinson's. I view this slightly differently, maybe because I already knew that the trial had failed to meet its objectives, but I think that the programme has done a fantastic job of raising awareness about PD, and may well propel researchers towards a phase 3 trial of GDNF. I have read many Facebook posts and Twitter tweets from people who participated in the trial, and without exception these people are saying that, in their opinion, the drug works. Placebo effect, I hear you cry, and I hear that cry and recognise that this is a very real effect. But for me, the experience of Tom Isaacs was compelling evidence that the drug works. Tom initially believed himself to be in the group who received the GDNF because of the improvement in his condition. He then deteriorated and thought that he was in the placebo group. Scans of Tom's brain showed that the implanted drug delivery device was defective, and poor old Tom underwent surgery again to replace the defective device, following which his symptoms appeared to improve once more. Certainly GDNF seems worthy of further consideration, and I have seen a number of campaigns that have been set up to raise funds for a phase 3 trial. I've seen various figures bandied about, between £4 million and £76 million to fund phase 3. I think it's likely to be closer to 76 than 4, and that's a hell of a lot of money. But if there are 10 million Parkinson's patients worldwide, as the documentary asserts, it's only £7.60 each, scarcely enough to buy 2 pints of beer here in rural Norfolk. Frizell were quite eager to fund further research in return for exclusive rights, and they thought everything was looking good, but ducked out as soon as they got wind of the results. Thanks Frizell for reaffirming that money means so much more than people. I, in common with many other people with Parkinson's, want to see a phase 3 trial of GDNF and want to help raise the funds to make this a reality. Parkinson's UK are canvassing donations on the back of the phase 2 trial, and my feeling is that donations to this charity just end up in a donations bucket. The Cure Parkinson's Trust allows you to donate specifically to the phase 3 GDNF trial, as does the Just Giving campaign by Funding Neuro, which has raised over £200,000 in the last 15 days. I have put some links in the description of this video to those sites that I've been made aware of, which allow you to direct your donation specifically to the phase 3 GDNF trial. Please, please donate to this cause if you are able to do so. 2 people are diagnosed with Parkinson's disease every hour here in the UK, and 1 in 39 of us will get it. It is the second most common neurological condition, so just remember, it could be you. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or have a topic that you'd like me to cover in future vlogs, just leave me a message in the comments and I'll do my best to respond. Have a great week. See you next Friday.